let's take it to the shop and let's find out what's the problem. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the morning of the 41st annual Mustang Club of Tampa car show. It's a little bit overcast here in Tampa. I didn't get to even prep my car until like 11:30 last night. But today we're going to go to the 41st annual Mustang Club of Tampa car show. It's my first car show officially with the club with my wheels. And hey, it's gonna be a great day. So we're gonna meet up with my brother-in-law Angel, his family. The reason that I gave him that car many moons ago when you saw that video is to keep us together, doing car shows together. So kind of special. He's done a lot to the car. We'll do an update a little bit on that today, and then hey, let's go have fun with the P99 Mustang. All right, so the last step, I couldn't do this last night because it was almost midnight, was to just finish detailing the front. So I'm using there you go, sorry, McGuire's car ceramic detailer. I just like this. There's a million products. You use whatever you guys like. I just have had really good results with this. So a nice little microfiber towel that I've been using, and really just doing a light little detail before going to the show. The car doesn't get driven anymore very much, so that's the only advantage to having the Project X Xterra truck, is that I don't have to drive this very much anymore. So I can actually, once I detail it for certain car shows, I can kind of leave it in the garage and it stays fairly clean. All right, so gotta have your car show essentials, which are fold out chairs, fire extinguisher, and of course, always gotta carry some of this because, you know, gotta shine stuff up. So I'm just gonna do a quick spritz, just a really quick spritz on the engine because I already cleaned it, and yeah, we'll be almost ready to go. All right, now when I say quick spritz, I mean it. I'm just doing a very tiny little spritz because I've already cleaned this engine. So that's it. Just a tiny little spritz of the foam with a towel. I've done this video 100 times. It's literally one rag, one bottle of tire foam. And it literally just makes the engine gleam. I mean, you can see it. It's just, and now once you've done this quite a few times, you know, you don't have to keep redoing it too much, or at least at too heavy of a detail level, because it's already pretty shiny. It's already holding the gloss. And these are plastic parts, and they're, you know, under where they get a lot of heat in the engine, and this probably adds a small layer of additional protection from the heat and stuff like that. But all it really does is just add a nice polish, right? It just gives it a nice little shine. It looks like you care about your car. And I don't really show too much the engine in car shows because I don't think my engine's there yet, right? We all probably very picky about our own cars and probably overthink it. But I just don't think that this car, in my opinion, has had any customization. It's completely stock. And so sometimes I kind of don't like to really show it off too much. But I think today I might possibly have it up for just a little bit. Yeah, so I have these DPS wheels that I just got, and I think I just want to do the tire paint on the letters. I have used tires on them right now, so I'm thinking about testing it out. And if I like how they look, I may try to buy tires that already have the white lettering, and if not, I'll have to use tire paint, and I'll do a video on that. But yeah, just still trying to get used to it. I'm just not a fan of black wheels, man. I know it's the biggest trend in the world, but I don't know. To me, it just looks like one big black gaping hole. I'm always been a fan of a chrome lip or some kind of lip. I can't wait to lower this car because at stock height, I really just don't like it. But listen, you can't make everything happen the morning of a car show. All right, I am done. I detailed it as best I could, and I'm about to meet up with Angel, and we're heading over to the city of Lutz, where the car show is going to be. We're going to have a great time. We're going to see lots of cool cars, and hey, first time we kind of go there officially with the Mustang Club with the new wheels. Well, this sucks. I get to the gas station and the car is driving like it's not getting gas, shuts off on me. Now I'm waiting on a tow truck. So it looks like I'm not making the car show at all, and now we're gonna just get costly repairs. So it's not starting. I'm pissed off, and we'll see how it goes. All right, my wife's here, so I can at least wait for the truck while I wait. Super frustrated. Got up early to clean the car for the car show, all excited, paid to be in the car show. Now I got told the car to the repair shop, and I'll probably still go to the car show. I'm just really pissed off. I'm not gonna hide my emotions here. Pisses me off that car, I don't know what it could be. It hasn't been driven. It drove fine the last time. It has had no problems. It just randomly feels like maybe like the gas isn't getting to the engine well. It could be a fuel injector issue. I don't know. I'm just upset that I was so looking forward to showing it off at the show and relaxing, having a good time. Now I got to go to the show and not even have the car. So, all right, well, let me hang out with the wife till the truck gets here, and then we'll be on our way to drop the car off at the shop, and then I'll try to get to the show. On its way back to the shop. It's not making it to the car show today, baby. Shout out to AAA for getting out here pretty quickly, but here we go. All right, so there it is. Let's take it to the shop and let's find out what's the problem. All right, well, it's here at Christian Brothers, and we're gonna drop it off here at Christian Brothers. All right, well, it's been dropped off. There's nothing else we can do, so let's see if we can still save the rest of the day, show you guys some cars. Ah, man, what a way to start. But you know what? We're gonna try to finish strong, show you some nice cars. We're gonna show you Angel's car, see how it does today, and then that'll be it for this week. And you guys get to tune in to see what the damage is gonna be on this one. Let's go to the car show. All right, we're here at the show. A lot of people, a lot of awesome cars, but here's Angel.
I'm sorry, bro.
What's up, man?
I'm glad you're here.
Well, yeah, it is what it is. Your car looks good, man.
Well, they called me. They said, yeah, they called me and said, oh, we're looking good. I want to see everything in your car.
Nice. So they're gonna judge it.
Said, who's the guy
Guys, this car, since it's been on the channel, it's had so many changes. As you can see, it has my old wheels. Now they're on his car. He's got a really nice American flag wrap on the hood. This year he is car number 84, so I'm here to support my brother-in-law. We're both members of the Mustang Club of Tampa, and yeah, it is what it is. Oh, cool. Awesome, Angel. All right, so exciting. He's getting judged for the first time. That means that all the changes that he did to the car caught their attention.
I don't think I'm right here. I'm just waiting for...
Hopefully he wins something. He puts so much energy in the detail in this car. He's done rims, stereo, tint. He changed the grill delete. He put the lip. He's just done so much to the car. So really proud of him. Oh, okay. All right, man. For the channel, how do you feel, bro? You're being judged right now. They might tell you you're the best car ever made or the worst car ever made. How do you feel?
I'm excited, bro.
Hey, all those details have paid off, bro.
Yes, sir.
Great job,
That's
bro.
Good, man. No matter what, at least they came by. And
They came by.
time
You
to
got
look
their
at it.
attention. Yeah.
I'm good with that. Yeah,
They showed respect.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's all right, guys. So here's the car. This is Angel's car. He did new stuff to the car. He did the grill delete right here. It's got the nice lip at the bottom. He added that. Brand new horse right there. He's got killer. Look at the detail. It is beyond clean, right? Now, mind you, he's done a lot of stuff. Most importantly, here he's got the wrap. Got the nice American flag wrapped on the hood right there. It's almost Veterans Day. That's what makes this car look amazing. He's got the new stereo here inside. So guys, you know, he's getting judged. We're excited. Maybe he wins, maybe he doesn't, but the fact he got their attention, that's awesome. Let's look at some more cars. Wow, look at this beauty right here. I think I've shown this one on the channel before. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous color in just beautiful condition, guys. The lines on this car. It's got a really clean interior, guys. Look, amazing cars, beautiful cars. I've shown some of these on the channel before. This is the 41st annual Mustang Club of Tampa annual roundup. Unfortunately, the president, Bob Turner, couldn't be here today, but we're representing for Bob. Bob, we miss you. We love you. We miss you, Bob. Hey, wave to Bob.
Hey, Bob, how are ya?
There's tons of variety here, guys. There's every make and model of Mustang you could possibly imagine. I'm going to show you a unique lowrider Mercedes that's here, or it looks like a Mercedes. I'm not sure. It's a Ford show, so let's check this out. It's slammed. Wow, guys, look at this touch right here. It's got a little chandelier. And they've made it really luxurious back here. It's a really nice color too. It's like a periwinkle kind of. Look at this Mercedes slam to the ground, guys. It's got air ride, so one hit of a button and it goes to regular height. Yo, this 5.0 right here. Serious business, man. I really like, I'm an old schooler. I gotta say, I really like the tinted taillights and headlight covers. I'm still a fan of that. But look at this thing. It's got the dual spoiler. Really nice interior. Look at that. It's a gorgeous 1991 GT. Got some gorgeous wheels. And then look at this. Just a gorgeous car. And it's got the nice headlight covers. Sweet ride. Even though our car broke down, we're still here to show you guys her favorite color. So why do you like this color so much? Now let's talk to the people. Why do you like teal so much? Look, here's another one. Woo! This is the first time I see this one, guys. I like the classic wheels. Very old school wheel. I love it. It's got a big old giant carburetor. It's a beauty. All right, my wife spotted this amazing Terminator. It looks like a 2000, maybe a 3. Have to look. Oh, but you don't see these much. So this thing is not just turbocharged, man. This thing's a monster. Look at this engine, guys. SVT V8 32 valve monster. It is an 04 Terminator. Beautiful condition. It's really nice interior. Similar to mine, but it's a Terminator. As you can see, it's got the Cobra. Look at the exhaust, babe. SVT. So here's a really nice teal gray custom. Wow, when you come around the front of this bad boy, it's got that hint of purple to just bring it right out. As a Batman fan, you have to like this Mustang Joker GT. All right, that pretty much wraps it up for the 41st annual Mustang Club of Tampa car show. Hope you guys loved it. It was a fun day, a lot of family fun. I'm gonna head out now because I gotta go find out what's wrong with my car. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the next episode here on Wildstyle Customs as we figure out what is wrong with the P99 Mustang. I'm thinking fuel pump, but we'll find out soon. If you like the videos I'm making for you guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Wildstyle Customs.